Hello, this is a quick video instruction how to use Curriculog. So to begin, you want to log in and then go over here on the top left to New Proposal. A new proposal can be many things. It could be a change to existing course. It could be a new program. The list is here. For this demonstration, we're going to do a change to existing course. You'd make a check mark here, click on the check mark, and that will create a form. First thing you want to do is go to this arrow, import. You're importing the course that you are working on. You click on the catalog. There's only one. You want to search by prefix. Type in the prefix. We're going to use com and search. This will pull up all the courses with the com prefix, and we're going to choose the first, com 102. This gives you all the information. Make no changes. Import the item. All the information that is stored in the system is downloaded, and now you want to run an impact report. So you want to know what this course is connected to, what programs it's in, and what other courses may use it. I use the current catalog. Generate a report. This will show us that it's a prerequisite for Pure 375 and that it's in these programs. These programs use this course. So if you're going to make a change, you need to inform people associated with these programs and the course and let them know if anything substantial changes, like the name, the number, learning outcomes. So we now know that information, and now we need to fill out this form, but we're only filling out where there's an orange asterisk. Now you'll see a lot of things are already pre-filled in. That was what we downloaded from the original course. So here, I'm going to do an NA for every item because you'll need to read and learn to answer these. A very important thing is to write the course level. If you're working on a graduate course, it's important to click on there because you'll see on the right side after we saved, it changes over here on the right who gets to review it. So if you haven't chosen the right level, not all the right people will get to see it, and you'll have to start from scratch. There's course description was pulled in. These do not have asterisks, so I don't have to respond to them now. This does have an asterisk, but you'll see it's already answered. And here, learning outcomes. Have learning outcomes for this course changed? No. And you're just going to answer again all the questions that require that. DEI, we're not doing DEI now. This is important. Description of the modification. So why are you making this change to the existing course? I'm changing the learning outcomes. And then the one below it is asking you, the rationale for that. You need to answer that. I ran an impact report. That's what that's asking. And then it's asking me, what am I doing about the impact I may have found? So you need to answer those questions. Let's read these and go through them. You don't always need to upload a new 4-year and 2-year plan, only if your new course or your course is changing when it's going to run, how often it runs, so forth. Now, there's Higher Learning Commission teaching qualification information. There are 3 questions about the level degree of the instructor that's going to teach the course, with their discipline, and examples of what work they've done in the field. And this will be posted on SharePoint because it's really the chair that's going to decide this. And unfortunately, Curriculog always asks you to post these questions, even though you would think it would live with the course. So it doesn't, but we will get that information for you. And I'm just doing this for time. So now I'm going to save changes, and then I'm going to go to the top. And at the top of the page, I'm going to launch this proposal. Nothing was wrong, so I'm launching the proposal. launching a proposal basically is I've prepared it now so I can enter in changes. So this is important to set up because let's say you're changing the course description. What happens after you've launched the program automatically tracks your changes, like in Word. So here's an example for another class, another course. This information was changed, and you'll see as you go over, hang over, it says Yanti that made these changes, and the ones in green are Sharon's. And for every person that made a change, you can track the changes and see who did that. So that's why it's really important not to make changes to existing data until you've launched the program. Okay? So you can put in things where there is nothing, but if you want to make a change, you want to wait till you've launched the uh, program. Okay, so we're done with that, and now we put in our changes. Now we want to vote on it. So we want to click decision. We want to approve or reject it. We can make a comment. This will usually, in the first round, it will go to the registrar's office to look to see if there's any errors or anything they see that conflicts right away. If they approve it, it will go to the chair of the curriculum committee in our department, the DCC, and the DCC will review it and vote on it, and then the chair will vote in Curriculog for the committee, and then it goes to the chair of the department and up the chain. Okay, so that's a quick overview how to use Curriculog. Thanks.